welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make healthy chocolate delicious lollipop. It is looking so delicious and yummy. So let's start. For that we need bananas, peanut butter and melted chocolate. So let's start. First we will cut bananas, and when you cut, be careful. Now we will apply peanut butter between the banana. Now we will sandwich peanut butters between bananas. Now we will put sticks and freeze it for 20 minutes. Now we will freeze it for 20 minutes. Yay! I got my bananas back. Now we will dip our frozen banana into melted chocolate. This lollipop is getting ready. Wow, so many lollipops. I will eat it. It is so delicious. Yay, my chocolate lollipop is ready. It's so delicious and yummy, but it's healthy. We can eat it anytime we want because this is a delicious lollipop. Wow, this is so yummy, healthy and delicious. Friends, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for notification. And please try this. See you next time. Love you. Bye friends. Thank you.